Alrighty, we got our little micro harness here done for our gauge cluster. We pinned all these out with a diagram and then brought them into a connector we put together here. It's just one of these kits you can buy off Temu, AliExpress, Amazon. It just comes with a bunch of different connectors. We had a 12 pin, so we grouped some of them together, like our grounds from our top to our bottom. They are together, and our illuminations, both of those are together now. But yeah, 12 pin connector. It's all together. We have it labeled with our tack, our oil tump, our switch 12 volt, and some other shenanigans. I was trying to troubleshooting why I couldn't get in power to the lights on this side, and it turns out it was just a bunch of burnt out bulbs. This has one working bulb, and we'll have to go purchase a bunch, and hopefully I can still buy these because they are tearing when I take them off, and I like the red, so we want to keep that. But yeah, not too bad. We'll put this basically back in, and then we will battle on this this stuff. So this will kind of get put back in the car. We can try to read over some of the tape. Something, dash, relay, lights. Ooh, wish I didn't paint over that. Dual switch hazard. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we got a little bit of troubleshooting to do, or remembering of what we were doing. But I think this goes up to our wipers, and then we have one that goes back to our body harness, which is somewhere back here. I think it's laying around wherever. Yeah, and then we have our 5-pin is our body harness back there. So it's weird. This car runs the taillights on the outside for whatever reason, but that's the way they did it, and that's kind of how we'll carry on doing it. So yeah, we're coming along. If I would have been less lazy, I probably have this dash back in here and we'd be doing the wiring, but it's about 6 o'clock on a Sunday, and I'm thinking it's about chicken o'clock right now. So I'm probably gonna go get some Chico chicken and think about what to do next, and buy some more bulbs and some more orange things, so I can put this all in with all brand new bulbs, and everything will work. It'll all be fine, and I won't have to go back there. Although, because this is so open in the back, it's one of the more open gauge or dashes, because there's nothing back here. You can actually just probably change them by hand, which will be cool. And yeah, that's what we'll do, and we'll carry on recklessly. But I'm gonna get chicken, and yeah, come back sometime each time of the week and get some stuff done. Other than that, smell you later.